Yeah, that's what I said because when that bad signal was sent already back to your receiver, it will basically continue. I mean, it was already sent to the speaker. That why if it will be the speaker, it will continue reacting that time. So it already caused damage to a particular speaker or speaker.
Ayaw pa rin. Data error.
Ha?
Data error.
Sa aero. Ginagawa ng ahente.
Yes.
Ay, hindi makita yung Pokemon. Ayun, nakikita ko yung Pokemon. Kinangina. Mata ebidensya.
Basically, during the protect mode, it usually the speakers will have to do with it. That are causing the problem. Would you select on home channels? Okay, so let me just keep.
Ito ang ginagawa ng ahente namin.
Yeah.
Ito.
Pare, nakikinig ako, pare.
Ito, ay sinabi.
Pare, nakikinig ako ng recording.
Ito, ay sinabi. Ito, ay sinabi. OIC yan, OIC. Ano yan, naka-ox, pero ano. Naglalaro. Ayun.
Ulul.
Ito, pare. Ha?
Si Eddie Arms pala ako.
Ito, galit sa mundo to parate eh.
So that means that these
David, parate kumakain.
This is a deformed.
Ingatan na ako. Yun.
Using all channel stereo. Using all channel stereo.
Ay, guwapo.
And you're not able to hear sound from the subwoofer at the center. Would you try raising the volume so you can be able to check your
Ayan na, BGM ba? Yan, si Alex, kinukuhanan yung sarili. Oh. Diba, ayun, kinukuhanan yung sarili niya. Ang gago.
Nakatawa ka pa. Nakatawa ka tayo.